Why Infinity Free is the best hosting site ever. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. A lot of you would be wondering how to start a business with a newly made website but with zero budget. Well, I have a solution for you all. Today we are going to have a look at Infinity Free website that lets you host for free. Yes, you heard it right. Infinity Free is one of the top websites that allows users to host their websites without any cost. So today's video, we are going to know why Infinity Free is the best hosting site ever. Let's get started. Number 10. Free of cost. Free web hosting is just how it sounds. It is a web hosting service that is offered free of charge to the public. A majority of free hosting plans include free server space, global reach over the web, a free domain name, and other limited capabilities. All this sounds great, right? As its name implies, Infinity Free vows to offer a free hosting option as long as it's still around. And it does, with no ads. All of the web hosting sites available on the web are not for free. Some companies begin to offer free services in the starting. Their services include a certain amount of free days or a period of free services. This is done to discover later that these services are not free in real, and you need to pay for what you are being offered. But there is one user-friendly web hosting option, Infinity Free, which vows to serve the audience with a free hosting option for as long as they wish to use the software. Infinity Free is free forever. There is no time limit for free hosting. You can sign up whenever you want to use and for as long as you want it. Some people have been hosting their websites on Infinity Free for years without ever paying anything. The difference is that customers are not interrupted by the ads. Number 9. Sustainable. Ever dreamt of having a hosting website stable, sustainable, and free? Well, thanks to Infinity Free for providing fully free services. By sustainable hosting, I mean environmentally friendly. One of the main benefits of using Infinity Free is that it's environmentally friendly. Sustainable hosting plans are designed to reduce emissions, thus causing minimal pollution to the environment. This means that they have a much less degrading impact on our environment as compared to the traditional hosting plans offered by other hosting sites. It is sustainable thanks to its business deal with iFastNet, whose services are marketed on Infinity Free's official site. Therefore, if you ever feel the need to upgrade your free plan to one of the premium ones, expect to be forwarded to iFastNet's site. Number 8. Unlimited disk space. A free hosting plan with unlimited disk space is what most people dream of. Infinity Free offers 3 shared hosting plans only, one of which is completely free of charge. It is titled Infinity Free and it should include unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, although it is limited to 50,000 daily hits, and unlimited hosting domains. It also supports 400 MySQL databases, a single FTP account, but not a single email account, and all of the above is granted with limited server power. Although Infinity Free offers unlimited disk space and bandwidth to its people, but that doesn't mean that it will provide premium features like English language for the users. Infinity Free has few free services, so one should not expect too much from them in terms of services, as the customers say in reviews. They have few limits as they have to work according to the server resources, so you have to pay a specific price to avail of the few free services reviews.
If anyone is doing any kind of marketing, you need to get this book.
This book is a trilogy to his 2 other books, .com Secrets and Expert Secrets.
And now it's time for Traffic Secrets.
This book is incredible.
If you want to start or grow your online business,
This book covers everything.
It literally inspired me so much.
This stuff is so powerful. The strategy here is so intense.
Finding where your traffic is.
Your dream customer.
Facebook ads, traffic strategy,
Ideal.
Google ads. These are real secrets. Why is he telling us this?
this is how ClickFunnels market. Our business was kind of already on fire.
And it's just like pouring gasoline on the fire.
This is the one thing everybody needs.
You could read just one chapter and change your business.
This book is about evergreen traffic. That's why you want to get this book and study it.
This is basically a recipe for sustainable businesses.
It literally changed the way we do marketing.
The most powerful book on how to get traffic ever created.
This book is incredible. I highly recommend it.
Pick it up, buy it right now.
Number 7. Free SSL certificates. You may be wondering, what is an SSL certificate? An SSL certificate is a file installed on a website's origin server. It's simply a data file containing the public key and the identity of the website owner, along with other information. Without an SSL certificate, a website's traffic can't be encrypted with TLS. It is actually a way to secure your website and protect it from hackers. It stands for Secure Sockets Layer, a security protocol that creates an encrypted link between a web server and a web browser. Companies and organizations need to add SSL certificates to their websites to secure online transactions and keep customer information private and secure. Imagine getting all of these services for free on Infinity Free and securing your website without any loathsome cash. This is one of the best reasons why Infinity Free is the best free hosting site ever. If you're enjoying our video, do watch it till the end and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, World Web Hosting, for more amazing content. Number 6. Softaculous Application Installer. Are you worried about how to set a new hosting site? Well, there is no need to if you're hosting on Infinity Free. Infinity Free has been able to perform well for beginners with the assistance of the Softaculous Application Installer. The users who have some experience using the software can use the other PHP programming method to plan their website and select the version they love. Softaculous is a really fast auto installer. It is a commercial script library that automates the installation of commercial and open source web applications to a website. Softaculous scripts are executed from the administration area of a website control panel, typically via an interface tool such as cPanel. This wondrous software lets you focus on using apps rather than spending time on installing them, which can be the case if you host on any other website. Experienced users can program their website with PHP and choose the version that they prefer. Also, the company provides 400 MySQL databases, Linux operating system, and a Apache web server. Number 5. Hobby website. Infinity Free is the best for those people who want the world to see their hobby work. If you have a hobby you're passionate about, then you should have a website that is dedicated to it. A website allows you to share your passion with others and build a community. There are many website platforms out there that can make building websites easy, and you can find a plan that works for you. Building a website and establishing a digital presence early on is a great first step if you want to ever turn your hobby into a business. If your hobby involves creative ideas like photography or illustrating, an online portfolio is a great way to display your work. Portfolios matter a lot in today's world, most of which are blogs and creative content. Infinity Free serves as a hobby website that allows you to get 10 email accounts. That's more than enough for a hobby website. It can help the users enhance the optimum performance to easily connect along with a Cloudflare CDN, which can be accessed easily through their control panel. The panel is visible as a cPanel.
When you guys first start publishing, you're going to be horrible at it. But the good news is nobody's actually listening to you at first. If I could go back in time to 15 years ago, I wish that somebody would have grabbed me and said, Russell, you got to document this journey. So you're documenting the journey of you going on this path the first time, or the journey of you taking people on this path. That is the thing that's fascinating. That's what gets people to follow you, that gets people to listen in, gets people to connect with you, is the documentation of the journey. When you guys first start publishing, you're gonna be horrible at it. But the good news is nobody's actually listening to you at first. You're gonna be like, Russell, no one's listening. I'm like, that's the good thing. I have no followers. They're like, perfect, that's the best time to start. You start with a whole bunch of people, it stresses you out, right? Start when no one's listening, then it's not that bad. And it's gonna be scary at first. It's gonna be weird, it's gonna be awkward, but I promise you guys it's worth it. It'll be worth it. So you start sharing it, your people will hear your voice. They will find you, they will come to you, but you have to share your voice. If you don't put it out there, no one's gonna find you. The better you get, the more people will come to you. The more consistent you are, the more people will come to you. And I want you to commit to me to a year, publish every single day for a year. How many of you guys can commit to me to every single day for a year? You will find your voice, you will attract the right people, and everything will change for you.
Number 4, host any domain. You can host any domain on Infinity free. Domain names are used to identify one or more IP addresses that is typed into the URL search bar. Companies have the ability to purchase multiple domain names, often relating to competition or services. By owning multiple domains, you will increase the overall traffic to your website and have higher visibility on search platforms. And all of this can be done for free on Infinity Free. This means that you will not only be able to host a website for free, but you would also get a chance to choose a domain of your choice and with no cost at all. By owning your own domain, you own your company name on the web. This sense of ownership will increase brand awareness and project your company as professional in the digital marketplace, which will help grow your business online. Your brand will also build up its credibility. By having a clean domain name, your company will stand out and be cohesive throughout your digital strategy and marketing materials. Amongst the hundreds of search ranking factors Google takes into consideration, one of them weighs heavily on domain names. Number 3, no ads. Everyone hates pop-up ads. This is because they're extremely distracting. They slow down your browser experience and are sometimes pretty loud. It's why so many people use software which blocks adverts whilst they're online. Unfortunately, that can affect the potential revenue from running adverts on your site. When reviewed on a mobile device, this can badly affect the user experience, turning visitors away from your domain. Plus, consider the credibility factor. Visitors might have less confidence in your products or services if there are multiple adverts across the screen. But with Infinity Free, you get the chance to host a website entirely free from ads. It's like a dream come true, isn't it? You can publish your website for free and without any disturbing, interrupting ads. So, there is a huge chance that people would love to visit your website and leave a good feedback that would in turn increase trafficking on your website and help you grow your business. Number 2, fast server. Yes, you heard it right. Infinity Free offers fast servers that enables you to run your website at a greater pace and without any paid packages. Many experts believe that web hosting is one of the most overlooked factors when it comes to page speed. And the speed of your website matters a lot. A server gives you more processing power. It supercharges your network, storing large chunk of data, freeing up memory, and enabling individual PCs to perform better. A server allows you to set up new computers, add users, and deploy new applications more quickly and easily. Instead of your users consistently consuming your web content from the origin, Infinity Free's fast server allows your web data to be stored in other cache servers so that your visitors from further parts of the globe still enjoy the same quality browsing experience your nearby users do. Number 1, 99.9% uptime. Infinity Free offers 99.9% uptime. Uptime is the amount of time that a service is available and operational. It is generally the most important metric for a website, online service, or web-based provider and is expressed as a percentage. If your website is down, there is a big chance your prospects or visitors simply go to your competitor. As a result, you lose revenue, conversions, and leads. To prevent this, you can simply host an Infinity Free and prevent this from happening. Final words. If you're trying to publish your amazing work but run out of budget, then Infinity Free is one of the greatest options you can choose, where you get unlimited benefits and all for free. That's all from today's video. If you liked the video, do like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, World Web Hosting, for more amazing content.